Have you started working on your social media, but you're losing engagement? Well, you have to organize your posts better. Let's talk a little bit about creating a content calendar. This is a tool that's proven to boost engagement. So, did you know that businesses that use content calendars see a 30% increase in consistency and engagement? So, start by listing content types, service highlights, community events, comforting quotes. For example, every Monday you can post a highlight, every Friday, share a comforting quote. Set aside a specific time and day, say Sunday afternoon, and then plan your week's posts. Mix in community stories every week. Then let's say that you hosted a local charity event. You have to share that. Now, adjust based on what your followers engage with the most. Track your performance and tweak as needed. Successful posts help build trust with your audience. And as always, I believe you should be posting from your personal profile for your best results. Finally, check out other top funeral homes and funeral directors in your area and see what works for them and adapt to those ideas. A content calendar is your first step to shining on Facebook and Meta. So get started now.